Today we're having a Unity and Diversity Assembly, and this is a way that all the students at our school get to showcase their cultures and share them with other students. It's an opportunity for students to learn about all the different students at the school and their culture.
We have all these wonderful students who are not just representing something from their home and their culture, but other students participating in that on stage as part of the performance. And I think we have almost 90 students in total participating in this event.
Unity and diversity is really important to me because it gives me a chance to reconnect with the culture I've been kind of disconnected from, and it gets me a chance to also experience a lot of new cultures and meet a lot of new people.
Unity is very important since there's so many kids in our school who haven't had much exposure to various cultures, and I think Unity is a great way for people to experience them.
Everyone just gets to learn about each other, and we get to dance each other's cultures or perform each other's cultures, and I just think it's a really great way to get involved with the other people in the school.
And I think it really promotes inclusion, and I think in a community where negative perceptions and stereotypes exist, I think Unity really helps break those down and promotes the beauty that exists within our cultures through the dances or the musical performances.
This show brings out what really makes us diverse. I think that's just the most beautiful part about Unity, is being able to participate in others' cultures and showing it off to the entire school.
About 1994, it was started after a student asked, can we celebrate all the parts of our cultures as part of the foundation, as the appreciation, acceptance, and a willingness to learn from each other.
Every year there's new countries being represented, new students are involved, and we get to learn about different cultures, and if we're learning, that means our students are learning as well, and this is something I think that they remember.